Cutting onions. Onions take all our focus when we're cutting. Onions are round bulb vegetables that grow underground. They've got a strong smell when raw and make your eyes water. The onion bulb has a root end, and this hairy root will help you cut the onion. The first step to cut the onion is cut it in half from the tip to the hairy root end. Cut with a claw and saw and a teeter-totter if needed to cut your way through until it's cut in half. You can also ask an adult to do this step for you, especially with larger onions. Peel the papery skin from the onion and compost this. This bulb vegetable has layers inside, and the root is holding those layers together, so don't cut the root off. Put your claw hand over top of the root end of the onion. Claw and saw strips of onion. Teeter-totter if your knife gets stuck. The root will help hold the layers of onion together while you're cutting. You can cut thicker strips or thin strips of onion. You can even cut the strips of onion into strips again to get smaller pieces called a dice. When the piece of onion you're cutting gets a little tippy-toppy and you don't feel safe, flip the onion over to the larger flat surface. Now you can safely cut a couple more slices of onion. All you're left with is the root. It's done its job to help you cut, and you can compost this bit.